Hi, my name is Sandro Di Frena. I'm part of the product management team at Hexagon for laser trackers. Today I'm really excited to present to you the AT500, the most portable laser tracker from our portfolio. One of the standout features of the AT500 is its portability. The whole system fits in one single transportable box. It works with an integrated controller, as well as with built-in batteries, and the whole system weighs just 14 kilograms. Make it ideal to make field work or to relocate the instrument. When it comes to performance, the AT500 is impressive. It can measure up to 160 meters away from the instrument and accurately track reflectors, meaning 320 meters in diameter. You can measure static points or dynamically measure points with a retroreflector up to 100 Hz. Additionally, the AT500 is compatible with the B-Probeᵖલેᵘ. This probe is extremely useful if you want to measure points that are out of the line of sight of the tracker. B-Probeᵖલેᵘ gives instant feedback to the user if a measurement is possible or not. And you have live readouts of the coordinates of the tip, meaning you can also use it with marking tools. Another exciting accessory for the AT500 is the external Bluetooth temperature sensor. When you are measuring large parts, the thermal expansion can modify the dimensions of the part. So it's important to take this into account when performing high accuracy measurements. This temperature sensor can be mounted directly on the part with its magnetic mount, and the expansion can be calculated in the metrology software. To make its operation easier, the AT500 offers an interface to our mobile app, the AT500 Connect. This app offers the essential information to establish a connection to a tracker, and additionally a live digital level bubble to be able to orient the tracker to gravity for leveling applications such as large CNC machine beds, offering an unmatched accuracy of 1 arcseconds. So in summary, the AT500 offers portability, connectivity, everything in a really compact device, offering the precision you expect from Hexagon.